Click cell G10. You want to find the source of the error in the cell's formula. Click the Formulas tab in the Formula Auditing group, click the Error Checking arrow. The Error Checking menu opens. Click Trace Error. Tracer arrows appear, revealing that the formula in cell G10 references cell D10, which contains a 0. Because the formula in G10 requires dividing by cell D10 and division by 0 cannot return a result, Excel marks it as an error. Click cell G13. Now you will trace the error in this formula. In the formula, click Trace Error. Tracer arrows appear, revealing the source of the error to be cell C13. The formula in cell G13 is attempting to divide by cell C13, a non-numeric value, causing Excel to mark it as an error.